Alright, the first thing we're going to do, because we're cooking 2 of our items in the oven, is we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 500 degrees. We're going to come back and we're going to take 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to cut off the ends. And then we're going to discard them. Go ahead and dice them up. And we're going to do that to all 4 cloves. And when they're done, we're going to go over them again to make sure that there are no big chunks. Alright, when we're done with that, we're going to take our artichoke hearts and we're going to cut them in pieces. We don't really need to be too concerned about it because they're very tender and they'll tend to fall apart, but we're just going to help them along a little bit.